What's up, y'all? Welcome back.
What's up? It's boss time.
It is. Okay.
Oh, we're already starting this off to a spicy start.
I just love those spicy meatballs, man.
Yeah.
It's amazing how they just do this. You know, just how, you know, it's just incredible that this is a thing in the game.
This is a game, yeah.
Yeah. You know, like it's just so lovely.
Yeah.
It's just so amazing that they put this in the game.
Yep.
And then once Link gets hit, he's cooked.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh,
No.
yeah.
Go.
Nope, you get a hall pass.
Yep. There we go.
Yep. Thanks.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't give a single crap. We would have been there all day.
Yeah.
Spiritly, look out! This isn't normal water over there. Okay, whatever. I really don't care. I just want to get this over with. This is gonna be one heck of a temple to edit. I'm gonna be losing my mind and my brain cells.
Oh no. It's Morpha.
Yeah, the giant aquatic amoeba. Whatever shall I do? No, come here. Come here. Come here. Ow. Ow. Okay. Alright. Alright. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It was my fault. It was my fault. I said I was sorry. Jeez. On the spikes, too?
That's just adding insult to injury.
It really is. Okay, game, I definitely... freaking... No. How about you give me your little thing? So I could hit it. Come here. Come back here. Come back here. Whatever. I'm running. So that way you won't be tempted to grab me again. Okay. Gimme. 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 Are you juking me, bro? Come on. Aren't you just lovely? So I got another hit in. No, don't you hit me again. Okay. Link. Link, please. No. Come on. I'm literally trying. Okay. But then I have 3 fairies. Oh wow, he just jumped up and hit me.
Yeah. Those fairies was a good idea to have. Really good idea.
Yep.
Because who knows where this would have taken you if you would have died.
Come here. Oh, brother.
This guy stinks.
If I could just simply... Nope. There's nothing simply about this game. Nope. Okay.
Nice, you got him.
I don't know if he's dead yet. Is there another phase?
Please don't let there be another phase. Please don't let there be another phase. Please let that be it. It's over.
Doesn't look over.
Is it?
Is it?
Is it?
Oh, okay, cool. It's dead.
All right, it's over. Nice.
Water temple down.
Oh gosh, that only took what? How many episodes?
Oh.
You're gonna be counting them in post.
Yeah. Sorry
You're
that
gonna be
fight
over.
wasn't as epic as it could have been, guys. I just don't remember that fight too well.
All right, so now we can go give a fishy kiss to our
Fiance, yeah.
yeah.
So
So
she
let me
died.
guess, she's oh she died. Yeah, now she's the sage.
Yeah, she
of the
totally died
temple.
to the thing.
There she is. It's like an episode of court TV.
Ridley,
Spooky. Sorry.
I would have expected no less from the man I chose to be my husband. Dora's domain and its people will eventually return to their original state. As a reward, I grant my eternal love to you.
Even
Well,
he was surprised.
That's what I want to say, but I don't think I can offer that now. Yeah, because you're dead. I have to guard the water temple as the Sage of Water. And you're searching for the Princess Zelda? Ha! You can't hide anything from me. Princess Zelda. She's alive. I can sense it. So don't be discouraged. I can tell that nothing will stop you in your quest for justice and peace. You must take this medallion. Take it respectfully.
Well, technically, it is death till us do us part. So basically, since she's dead, we parted. So now she's no longer our wife, technically.
Wow, John. Okay, cool. This is gonna go that route, huh? Due to the technicalities. Hmm.
Well, I mean,
If you see Sheik, please give him my thanks, okay?
shut the fuck up. Anyways, but
You know, see that I understood what you said, but that sounded like a burp to the audience.
what?
It sounded like a hiccup and a burp. What you did. Now I could get the fire arrows at least. Now that the water's back up. That's you.
There's Sheik. Okay. As the water rises, the evil is vanishing from the lake. Spookly, you did it.
Darn right.
It's you! Did Ruto want to thank me?
Yeah,
I
dude.
see.
She thinks you're a dude.
We have to return peace to Hyrule for her sake, too, don't we? Look at that, Spookly.
I'm looking.
Together, you and Princess Ruto destroyed the evil monster. Once again, the lake is filled with pure water. All is as it was here.
I can see your face.
I'm just gonna back away. That's you every time I go missing.
How did you get up there so quickly? What the? Right.
What the?
Sure, whatever.
Sure, yeah, let's just go with it. Yeah.
Now at
He
least I could get the fire arrows.
Did you see the way he swan dived?
Yes, I did.
Just straight into the water.
Came up there,
Yeah.
and then was like, I'm gonna dive up in the thing.
He was trying to make a grand exit.
Yeah.
Or at least his version of it.
Oh, like there's a claw from like the water guy. Or at least Ganon.
So now where to?
Where to? I need to play the song so I can get the fire arrows. Stop. Stop. Sun song. Right down, up, right down, up. Okay. We gotta get the arrow ready. Shoot it. There we go.
Got the fire arrows.
Yep. Yay, I could finally
Now
get
we're
them
fully
now.
stacked.
We are. Let's, get on up over here. This was like the coolest thing to me when I was a kid. When I figured this out, I was like, oh shoot, that is the sickest thing I ever saw. And then, I forgot how you get the ice arrows. I think it's something stupid.
So we only have 2 more temples left.
Yeah. Yeah, we
Yeah.
do. Along
The
with
Sand
Ganon's
Temple
castle.
Oh yeah, so the Sand Temple and then Spirit?
No. The Shadow Temple.
Oh, the Sand and the Shadow Temple.
Yeah. We have the Shadow Temple, the Spirit Temple, and Ganon's castle. Let's see. Why is like the enemy music on right now? And they're getting intense out there. The heck?
Yeah.
Gonna visit your house, John.
Oh,
And
welcome in. I'm sorry the house is a mess.
I'm gonna just go down here into your little thing.
Hey, that's my pool.
It is.
Get out of my pool.
Nope, taking your money. You got
that's
a
my
shark.
shark.
You got a shark held hostage down there. A very
it's my
very
new pet.
crude looking PNG shark.
It's my pet. Get away from it.
He's flat. Did you
Listen, man, I'm mourning. Okay, can you please?
Did you attempt to 3D print him? Like what happened there?
Don't. I may have gotten into 3D printing. Anyways, just get out of my house.
Not gonna happen, mate.
You gotta be freaking fit. You.
Can I break this? I want to
fondling
break.
me.
No, I'm not fondling anything. I'm trying to break it.
Why are you trying to break my chest?
Nice.
That's my prized box. Leave it alone.
Oh, a prized box, huh?
Yeah, it won in championship boxing.
I'm not gonna say anything to that at all.
Okay, good.
I'm
I
just
don't expect you to. I just expect you to get out of my house. Stop attacking me!
Yeah.
Ow! It's sharp.
You got Mr. Krabs here, and you got Squidward. And you got Gary. What did you do to Gary?
Well, his shell is a rare collector's item.
Poor Squidward in this freaking tank here.
Stop looking at old word.
And then Mr. Krabs is just dead. You keep his body here on display. To show that you're about business. You even have the harpoon that you hunted them with over there.
Yep.
Wow. And his anchor. You have his house. Wow.
Yep, I took his house.
Wow,
Yeah.
you took everything from him. I dread to see what you did to freaking Pearl. Oh, hi, Epona. I forgot that we left you here.
It's been 3 years.
Yep, 7 years plus 3. How much is that, John? Quick maths.
7 years plus 3, 10.
Wow. Yeah, the Kunai Bros don't know how to count to 10. Welcome to the show. Dang it, Epona, come on. So, this is episode 15, dude.
Yeah,
Oh,
we're
no.
making incredible timing.
Epona, what are you doing? Epona. Turn. Okay. Alright. You see this, right? Okay. This is what I wanted you to do in the first place. Thank you. Thank you so much. Was that hard? What the... So you can't jump over the mini fence, but you can jump over the big one. Epona, I have words to say to you that I'm not allowed to say. Thank you. I wanna go visit our current girlfriend now that our fiance's dead. And see what she has to say. Gonna see if I can get some milk. From
Some of that lawn milk.
Yeah. Because the milk is a good little healing item. Or I could go visit that cow in the hole. I was like, wow.
The cow in the hole!
Yeah, remember when we found him?
Yeah.
So I could just go find him. I ain't chasing you, dog. Have fun with that. I'm gonna keep Epona out there, just in case homie's like, I want her back. You ain't getting her back. Look at all those chickens. I made that joke already.
Yeah, I know.
Just gonna...
Man.
This...
Isn't this great? Just
It
me,
is.
you. Oh!
Hi, Luigi. Is he beating his meat? What?
I think he is. I've done
That's-
that position before.
I'm sure you have. I'm just gonna go out now.
Wait, but you need the lawn milk. You want to know where it
No, I'm just gonna go talk to Malin over here.
You're
Actually,
not even
she should be in the field. Here. Yeah, there she is, singing and stuff.
And there's the cow in the hole. He's like, oh no, is that kid back for some milk?
How's it going, Toots?
The cow's like, will you shut up?
Honestly, this song makes the cow give me milk. Hilarious.
Oh. So wait, when she sings, the cow gets milked?
No, if I play it in front of the cow, I can get milk.
Oh, you can get milk.
Mr. Ingo, he must have been tempted by evil powers. He's not really a bad person at all. So her whole thing is like, oh, she wants a knight in shining armor to come save her. And what is Link? A knight in shining armor. And another evidence-based thing is that of Ocarina of Time Link getting with her is that Twilight Princess Link knows Epona's song. Like off the rip. And Epona's song is the song her mother made.
Oh.
Right. So that just confirms right there.
Do you already know it, or?
Yeah, we know Epona's song.
Oh, opponent song? Okay.
Up, left, right, up, left, right. What a nice song, reminds me of the pasture. Is the cow talking to me? That song
Yep.
makes me feel so good. I can produce a lot of milk. Have some of my refreshing and nutritious milk.
Thanks, bud.
So if you can talk...
Those look like some happy cows.
They can somehow talk.
Yeah.
I don't like how they can somehow talk, John.
You're gonna write a letter to me
Because
to
do the
freaking
horses talk
Miyamoto?
too?
No.
And what do you
What
guys
happens if you play the
what are you
song in
guys
front of
doing with
them?
Malin then? Does she know you guys can talk?
Oh yeah, the cow that's in there. He could talk. I just never wanted to tell you because I knew it'd freak you out. But
Well,
anyway,
you're right. It did freak me out.
well, enjoy your milk. Bye. La, 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 la.
Let's see what she says when we play the dank song in front of her. Oh,
Almost.
up, right, up, right. Okay. Whoops. Hit my controller. On the desk.
Absolutely nothing.
Oh, she is the one who taught me it, so...
Yeah.
You wanna hop on? I can literally get you out of here. I don't know where I'd take you, but... At least we got the milk. I'll take that. So we need to go to the Shadow Temple. And... crap. I need to learn the Song of Storms. Do I know that already? I probably don't. Ay. Temple.
You've been floundering.
Yeah, cause, I know that song. Nope. Nope.
You know the Bolero of Fire?
Nope. Don't know the Song of Storms yet. Back in my young days, that was like the first song I'd... Oh, hi.
Oh no. The whole village is on fire.
It is.
This is the work of Ganon.
Yeah, he got salty.
Sheik?
What is your edgy behind doing standing there like that?
Get back, Spootly. For I have a horror. Okay. What is the grudge gonna come out of there? What the?
Dang. Sorry, hun.
Oh, is that?
It's static. I gotta put it back in the TV.
Damn. It roughed you up.
It did. Roughed me up bad.
You got licked, smacked, and tossed. Looks like you're coming around.
We both got Millie rocked.
Spootly, a terrible thing has happened. The evil shadow spirit has been released.
No kidding.
Impa, the leader of Kakariko village, has sealed the evil shadow spirit in the bottom of the well.
Well, it doesn't look like that anymore.
But the force of the evil spirit got so strong, the seal of the well broke, and
Wow,
it escaped
thanks,
into the
Impa.
world. I believe Impa has gone to the Shadow Temple to seal it again, but she will be in danger without any help. Spootly, Impa is one of the 6 sages. Destroy the evil shadow spirit and save Impa. There is an entrance to the Shadow Temple beneath the graveyard behind this village. The only thing I can do for you is teach you the melody that will lead you to the Shadow Temple. This is the melody that will draw you into the infinite darkness that absorbs even time. Listen to this, the Nocturne of Shadow. Ooh, spooky shadow.
Where did you pull
spooky
that out of?
shadow. Spooky shadow.
No, where did you pull that out of?
Don't worry about it. Just listen to the song.
It's nothing but firm cheeks back there. Where did you pull that out of?
My cheeks are very well firm and untouched by Hylian hands.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, see? Look,
Did you know
firm.
I played...
So where did you pull the harp out of?
Don't worry about it.
I must know these things.
I pulled it out my ass.
Okay. That's all I need to know.
Gosh. Man, you're persistent. Let me take care of the village. I'm counting on you, Spookly.
Okay.
Why are you... Oh! There we go.
At least we know what she does in her spare time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shoving harps up there.
Damn. How do you get the strings in there? Like, that seems like it would hurt.
It's a skill, my guy.
Like, there must be like some type of competition. The Stone of Agony?
That's what I'm feeling right now.
That's this exact look on your face?
Yeah.
Just, oh my god.
A Stone of Agony. All dark and spooky here. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Oh, wait a minute. Let me go to the windmill bro first. Let's see if he's still pissed off at me. At all.
Excuse me.
Wow, John, that sounded like a filled belly burp that you did there.
Yeah. When it's nice and hearty, you can tell that someone's full.
Yeah, nice and hearty, nice full, well-fed burp. It's just what I want to hear when I am also starving. I'm gonna try to sell that person something, but whatever. Such a nice little filled belly burp you did there. My stomach's like, wow. Ain't that something?
Ain't that something? If I fall asleep up here... Oh, okay.
Hi, man on the roof that's been here for 7 years. No, talk to him. Navi. I want
to... Hey, good to see you again. I'll give you this as a memento.
Cool. Whatever. I'll take it.
As a memento.
Kind of what you did to me. Listen, close to morning.
Nice full belly burp.
Yeah, nice and full.
I'm gonna remember that.
Like you like comfortably put your hands on your belly after that.
Yeah, I did. How did you know?
Because that's what people do after a full belly burp. They're like, wow, I just ate so good. My stomach, my tummy
Oh,
stummy is
oh, it
really
hurts when
really
I laugh.
content and
Oh,
comfortable now.
it hurts when I laugh. Stop. It hurts.
Oh, I'm
Ah.
sure because you're that full.
Oh, oh, oh. Okay, okay. I gotta stop.
Yeah.
I need a nap.
Oh, I'm sure you do.
I need a nap.
I'm sure you do. After a hearty meal, your stummy tummy is feeling all nice.
Oh, I'm gonna barf. Oh no.
Yeah, yeah, because he's that full.
Whew. Oh, okay. Let that digest, and I'll have dessert later.
Wow!
Digest.
Wow! 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 He's not even hiding it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so stupid. There's a door right here.
Uh,
Did you almost barf?
no, I'm good. I'll never forget what happened on that day 7 years ago. It's all that ocarina kid's fault. Next time he comes around here, I'm gonna mess him up. What are you doing, sir? Oh, he's just okay. He's pumping it up. What? You got an ocarina? What the heck? That reminds me of that time 7 years ago. Back then, a mean kid came here and played a strange song. It messed up this windmill. I'll never forget this song. Song of Storms.
Yeah, this is the song that plays all the time. That people meme it. They dread it. They run from it. Destiny arrives all the same. They hear the Song of Storms. Look at him and his filled belly.
Dude, I had to unbutton my pants.
The fact that his belly is that full
I had to roll my shirt up.
that he has to roll his shirt up and unbutton his pants.
I have to massage it.
You can't make this up.
Oh, I gotta recline. Oh gosh. Woo.
He's reclining and everything.
Oh gosh, I can't laugh. Whew.
He's like,
gonna
talk
have-
about a filled belly. Pat,
Oh,
pat.
I'm gonna have heartburn. Oh.
Wow, must be nice.
No! Ow. Ow.
I gotta go to this dead end over here. Because it says dead end. Gotta take a
Because
pause.
it's... Huh.
Hey.
You gotta crawl into that tiny space?
Yep. Enter link. Thank you.
Great fairy fountain, huh?
Yep. So let me just... What? No, Ocarina.
Whoa.
Hello there.
Only thing covering those things is a couple of romaine lettuce leaves.
Yep. Sounds about right.
Give us some ranch dressing and we got a salad.
Yep.
Oh, look, we got the PlayStation logo.
Wow. I'm into hang on to the broom things. Yeah, cool. Whatever. Okay. I got
Just
that
go back
nonsense.
to Kokiri Forest to see.
Uh-oh! Didn't mean to pull that one out. like literally. That was by pure accident.
Didn't mean to pull that one. You meant to pull out your ocarina.
Yeah.
Not the freaking...
Nah.
Nah.
No, not at all. Yeah, I'm just gonna take the long way, because then I'll have to find my way through the thingy.
So technically, because it's 7 years in the past, you don't have Epona.
Correct. Epona is still at the ranch.
Mr. Ingo, yeah.
No, with Malin and her dad.
Oh.
Ingo doesn't take over till 7 years later.
And basically, you just left Kokiri Forest.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Hey, sorry, I'm back. It was just a prank. Just a prank. I'm not actually leaving. It was all a joke.
You're going back home?
Yeah.
You give up?
Yeah.
That's it?
It was just a prank, that's it.
It's just a prank.
Just a prank, bro. That's
Yep.
it. Yeah.
Going back home, gonna go back to sleep. Your fairy can piss off.
Yeah, Navi can go fly away.
It can go fly itself.
Yeah, go who knows where. I want to see if Skull Kid's here. There he is. Hi, buddy.
That's Skull Kid?
Don't look at me like that. Yeah, that's Skull Kid. No, Sarius-san. Go to Sarius-san. Okay, down, right, left, down, right. Here now, Sarius-san? We should be friends. Here, take this. Now I'm gonna go destroy Terminator.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna steal a dude's mask and then it's gonna let me control the moon.
Yep, that's literally him.
Yeah.
Goof himself.
So basically, Majora's Mask is like Ocarina of Time 2.
Yeah, it's a direct sequel.
Yeah.
It's just an event where Link put back the Master Sword.
And remained a kid.
Yeah. And he went to go warn Zelda about Ganon's plans.
But then a new threat appeared, and that was, as he was about to do that, Skull Kid showed up.
Well, no, like he warned Zelda.
Oh.
But then, Navi flies off somewhere because the deed's done. Evil has been prevented. And then, yeah, Navi flies away. She's like, okay, deed is done, bye-bye. So Link goes off looking for her, and then ends up in Termina somewhere.
Oh.
But he never finds Navi. he finds Tattle and Tail.
Tattle and Tail.
Yeah, Tattle stays with you as a
Tail
new
gets-
Navi. Tail is with Skull Kid. Because Tattle and Tail used to be Skull Kid's only friends.
But they both hate you.
Well, when they first encounter Link, they bully Link. They knock him down and stuff. And then Skull Kid leaves Tattle. And Tattle's like, wait for me. And then Skull Kid just doesn't care. And Tattle doesn't either. Tail. So then, freaking Tattle, he stays with Link. And she apologizes for knocking him down and stuff. And then they go stop Skull Kid in his evil ways. Like, sure, people say Majora's Mask is the easiest game. Which it is, technically. But you just gotta really plan out what you're gonna do every day. And then, because you only have 3 days to do it and the time's ticking. And then you got to reverse time. And do stuff again. Like, it gets really tricky. Hi, pal, you want to hear a funny song with my ocarina?
Oh, you basically fulfilled
Yep.
the timeline.
Because he's all nice and stuff.
Go around, and go around. What fun! I'm so happy. Well, what do you hear this?
No one heard you. All I heard is... And then come up with a musical theme inspired by this windmill going around and around. Okay. Check this out. I'm gonna ruin your whole career right now.
Oh man, you destroyed his career.
His entire career is cooked.
Go around,
Going way
go
too
around.
fast. Funny.
And he's there for 7 years doing this.
Stuck with this song in his head.
Oh my god.
He hates,
Oh, that's evil.
He
That
hates
is
Link.
evil.
Yeah. He's like, screw that kid. That kid sucks.
Like Coolsville.
Yeah, like Coolsville.
So basically, you're confronting the shadow 7 years in the past.
Well, I just have to do this. Trying to get the lens of truth.
Oh, because the shadow temple is deceiving?
I can't get in without the lens, because I have to see the thingy. What is it? I can hear the spirits whispering in this room. Look for the eye of truth. That's what they were saying. Oh, I just walked through a wall. And yes, I meant to do that, because it's supposed to be hidden around here. Okay. I don't remember this place too well either. I just know...
That is creepy.
Huh?
That picture.
What hit me? Hello? Oh. Wasn't trying to fall down there, but... I'll take it. What's the scariest game that you've played as a child, John?
Good question. I had to think.
Sit back down. Please.
I don't think I played many scary games when I was a kid.
Not even
that I
on
can
accident?
remember. No, not that I can remember.
You didn't play the maze game? No one tricked you into playing that?
What maze? Oh yeah, someone did trick me into that, and I got jump scared.
Yeah, my older sister tricked me into playing that. And yeah, I was horrified. Like that ruined my whole everything.
She's freaking gaslighting me too, being like, "Oh, you're so good at it. You're better than me."
Yeah, that happened to me too. I got gaslit as well. Like, oh, you're doing such a good job. And I was like, oh, wow. You know, I'm being a good gamer. Then next thing you know...
You heard that horrific scream.
Yep. And seen the picture.
Yeah. Of the freaking Exorcist.
Yep.
At the time, I didn't know that was the Exorcist.
Yeah. I knew it because they watched it in front of me and I didn't like it. I was mortified. But... You know. That freaking... That was not it. Look at all these skulls on the wall. Ooh. Ow. Must replay these games. Excuse me. Oh no, it's this. Okay, I know where I'm at. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. It's you.
Ugh, what is that?
It's a dead hand. Yep. It's disgusting.
Oh, I can only imagine how that's gonna look in the remake.
Yep. Let me out. Let me out. What do you want out of me? Oh yeah. Drop the face. Okay. Come back here. Come back here. Fine, I'll get grabbed. That's the only way you'll freaking come up. Come here and drop your face.
Was this like this must have been terrifying as a kid?
It was. You see that face?
Yeah. Oh, it's horrifying.
It's
My
all
gosh.
bloody and stuff.
Yeah. Like, that thing is pure evil.
Start to wonder how many people it killed.
That thing would just prey on Hylians?
Prey on anyone. Get out. Dead.
Ugh.
Is this the lens? I remember getting it after fighting this thing. Maybe there's another one. Nope, lens.
Lens of truth.
Thank you. Jeez. Now, in the next episode, we can finally do the Shadow Temple when we're ready. Okay,
Yeah.
I get it. There's another chest in here. Hold on. Oh, there it is. Huge rupee.
A huge rupee.
Worth 200. Too bad I'm already maxed out.
You got a whopping 200 rupees in your pocket.
That I cannot use. Yeah, let's go back then. Oh, there's the chest. Okay. I'll turn back to Adult Link, and we'll save in front of the new place, the Shadow Temple, and we'll call it
Alright.
quits. Chest around here. There it is. Oh, freaking a key. Let me see. What does this even open?
I think you discovered everything on accident. But this place reminds me like the catacombs.
Oh, I know the ones you're talking about. I think that's what this place is based off of.
Like based on the catacombs.
Yeah, the ones under whatchamacallit,
Under
remember?
Paris.
Yeah, that have
Like a
this.
huge graveyard.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
that has the skulls upon skulls.
Yep.
Like literally what the walls look like right now with the.
And there's
Yeah,
like a lot of demonic stuff going on down there.
yeah, like there's.
There's
Yeah.
cults that go
Mm-hmm.
down there.
It's nuts, and people get lost down there too.
Yeah, people get stuck in the walls.
Yep. There was someone who recorded himself getting lost in there. But
That's what the movie As Above, So Below is about. It's based off that. Someone
Yeah.
like they got lost down there,
Oh
and
my
it was literally like they went through,
piss off, dude. Go past him. No, no. Move. You actually suck. You're literally like the grumpy old troll who lives under the bridge that won't let me pass until I solve the stupid riddle.
and you took his nuts.
Good. I'm out of this place. Don't need to be here anymore. I have the lens of truth. We can get past the Shadow Temple stuff. Finally. No nonsense. Okay, no nonsense. Making sure.
And only Impa knows about this place.
And Zelda.
And Zelda. They know it's in the well.
Yep. Take me to the songs.
So basically, it's true. The well does. That's why the wells are the way they are in Tears of the. Oh, okay.
Up, right. Up, right, left. Take me back to the temple.
So we can take the Master Sword out.
Me out of this crazy place. Okay. Rabbit. Yeah, see, in Majora's Mask, when you go back in time and stuff, you
Yeah.
lose the money that you gained on the third day.
You do?
Yeah, you lose like every item.
Oh wow.
And
That's why you have to make it. You have to stop the moon on the third day in order for it to
well,
keep everything.
stopping the moon is like literally the final boss.
Okay. You
Yeah.
literally blow up the moon.
Well, you don't blow it up, you just fight the mask pretty much. But like literally you lose everything that you gained on the third day besides like key items like the masks and stuff. Like you lose your money, you lose like ammo you have. Like that game was pretty rough when you're a newbie.
Yeah.
I remember when I first played it, I didn't beat that game for a long time. Like, things got real crazy. Okay, so we have the lens, right? Yep, in our inventory. Okay. So, next episode, we can beat this
We can actually,
temple.
and then we only have one temple left, and then the final.
Yep, we've been doing pretty good.
Unless there's some stuff we got to do as like a, you know, after this to get into the sand temple.
There's probably a couple things. Oh yeah, it's not this exact passageway, it's the other way. Anyway, we're gonna call it quits for now, guys.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed. And we'll see y'all in the next one. How about that? Peace.
Peace.